Welcome back to One-Footed Phoenix, friends. Today I'm going to be telling you about CRPS and desensitization. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button down below. It really helps me to grow the channel. And be sure to share this video with someone that you think could use this information, whether it's a physical therapist, a teacher, or just someone who you might find it interesting. So first, what is CRPS? CRPS is a group of symptoms classified as complex regional pain syndrome. CRPS is a problem between the brain and the entire nervous system. So your nervous system is freaking out that there's a problem and that there is an injury when there's clearly not an injury there. And oftentimes the symptoms can range from purple limbs and extremities to being very cold to feeling like you're being burned alive, but all of these symptoms tend to happen all at the same time, so you have all of those things all at once. But the biggest and main symptom of CRPS is the pain. Now, the pain can be so extreme that it's rated even above kidney stones and above childbirth. On some pain scales, it's even rated to be the most painful thing a human can experience in their lifetime. Now that I've briefly covered what CRPS is, it's time to dive into what desensitization is. So desensitization is a way of bringing down the pain level when your limb is extremely sensitive. Desensitization is an easy thing to do at home with regular household items. Having an array of household items from soft to rough will help you desensitize your limb in phases of going from soft to rough items. And you want to start with the soft items that feel the best first and work your way up to things that are uncomfortable and maybe even a little bit painful. A lot of times you can make your own mittens out of different fabric for desensitization. And desensitization is not only just for CRPS, but it can also be used for amputees who are having a hard time getting into their prosthetics. So I have been using this technique to help me try to get back into my prosthetic. So how do you do desensitization? Now that you know how it works, how do you do it? So desensitization happens when you just rub various materials on your affected limb, like a brush like this one. This one is pretty rough, so this would be my rough item that I use to desensitize my limb. You can also use items like this little butterfly that is made of paper, but it has like some rougher edges on it, so it's a good thing to rub against my limb. I also choose different fabrics like this one that's nice and smooth, and like this one that's a little rougher. This is a limb sock that I wear on my leg to try to desensitize it. Now, of course, this probably sounds easier said than done, and for me, it definitely is easier said than done to desensitize my leg. Anytime I rub anything up against my leg, it hurts like crazy. So just keep at it and keep trying and do it a little bit at a time every day and you'll get better at it. Your leg will eventually desensitize, or your affected limb will eventually desensitize the more that you do this exercise. Thank you for coming and watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to share it with someone who could use this information. Be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe down below. It really helps me to share the channel. And just in case you didn't know, I also have a Discord server where you can chat with other amputees or other people who are going through similar disabilities to you. If you would like to join the Discord server, there's a link down in the description down below. I'd love to chat with you, and we'll see you there. That said, I don't have time to respond to everyone in the Discord server, so it's kind of a first come first serve kind of basis, but I do try to get on there when I can, and I do enjoy having it as a sort of support group for amputees and others with other disabilities. So definitely check it out if you would like a little bit of support in your life. Click here if you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you. We'll see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye!